On killing a tree, you must have observed people cutting down trees, but can they kill a tree? It is easy to do so. Let's read the poem and find out what the poet says on killing a tree. Let's see what poet want to convey. It takes much time to kill a tree. Poet is saying it takes much time to kill a tree.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Is it still breaking or is it okay?
No, sir, now it is fine.
Good. So it takes much time to kill a tree. So poet is saying it takes much time to kill a tree because it is a slow process. It is not just cutting a branch. Killing a tree means uprooting it. Okay, because the roots of tree is deep. So even if it is uprooted, some roots can be there which can come back again. So in order to kill a tree, it is to be uprooted completely. So it can take much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. So by cutting few branches, that is the knife thing that we use to cut the branches, so that cannot kill a tree. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. Because the tree has spent lot of time in becoming strong and large. So it has grown by taking the minerals, water from the soil and sunlight, air. By taking, absorbing it, it has become big and strong. So it cannot be killed so easily. So actually it is being related to the evils that people have in mind and heart. So evils are also deep rooted like a tree. So in order to kill the evil within us, we have to put lot of effort, and it might take lot of time also to kill that evil or to remove that from within us. So it is comparison between a tree, uprooting a tree, and removal of the evil within us. So evils are also deep rooted. Sometimes you will think that you have overcome the evil, but it may come back again. So it may reappear because the roots can be deep. So it may take time. So here poet is saying that killing a tree will take much time because it has become strong. It has absorbed and lived for so many days or months to become big and strong. So it may take some time to be uprooted. So this was in first paragraph. So here it is said, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. So leprous hide means the discolored bark. That means there will be cut on the bark from where the leaves may sprout. Okay. Or somebody has tried to cut it, so that mark will be there. So it is a cut mark on the bark, discolored bark. So how will it be discolored? Cut out, or it has been due to some weather condition. Okay.
Can we tell, like, your leprous hide means like rough and scaly kind of?
Yeah, kind of rough and scaly, but it is discolored. The meaning is discolored. The book meaning is given there. You can scroll down and see. It is discolored bark. So discolored bark can be because of any circumstances, conditions, or by the cut marks or by the sprouting leaves that hides it. So cut mark will be there, but new leaves will hide it. It means that, like evil. So evil mark is there. You try to remove that, but it can be covered with some other thing, but it can come back again when it is compared to the evil within us. Leprous bark means the discolored bark. Leprous hide means discolored bark, which is a cause of the cut mark. Somebody has tried to cut it out, the bark. Somebody has tried to cut the bark and had left. So it is injured. So in injured terms it is said. So likewise, if you will try to remove the evil and you are able to remove some portion of it, but still it is there hiding within the other things. So here the bark that is cut is hiding within the leaves. So the evil also will hide some other things, but it will be there. So it is not yet uprooted. So in order to kill the evil, you have to uproot it. So leprous
Sir, is this the discolored
bark
bark?
because of the cut mark.
Okay.
So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. So with knives or axe you can like chop it out or make a cut on the branches, in the branches, but that will not kill the tree. The mark will be there, but it will not be enough. It will not be enough to kill
So
the
like, it will just like injure the tree. It will not kill the tree completely.
Yes.
So like the tree can heal itself after from the injury.
Yes.
So like nothing will happen. Like even if we cut the bark of the tree, again the small twigs will grow from the ground,
Yes.
and again it will be back to its original form. That is
Yes.
very big.
Yeah, it
Former
will heal, it
size.
will get the strength, it will regrow.
Yeah.
So it says the hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. So what is this doing? This is the killing of the tree. So it won't kill the tree. Not so much pain will do it. So tree will face some pain, but it will heal. The bleeding bark will heal. So it says not so much pain will do it. It can cause pain, but killing won't be there. The bleeding bark will heal. The bark that is cut will heal in time, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, and again new leaves will come up and plant will regrow. It will become strong. Miniature boughs, which if unchecked will expand again to former size. The new leaves that will come up will regrow to former size. So likewise it is compared to evil also. So it can be like suppressed, but it won't be enough to like uproot it or kill it. So with some pain it will be there and it can regrow. The evil will get the strength, it can regrow. So it will cause the problem again. So in order to kill it completely, we have to uproot the tree or remove it completely by uprooting it from within ourselves. So that is the main idea. If cut is there, pain is there, so it will heal in time. No, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely out of the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. So here the poet is saying that the root is to be pulled out in order to kill the tree, or in order to uproot the evil from within ourselves. We have to pull it out completely along with its roots. So the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth, where it is deep inside the earth, getting the support of the earth. From that place it has to be pulled out. It is to be roped tight with the rope. It is to be tied. It is to be tied tightly, and it has to be pulled out and snapped out. So along with the root, it is to be taken out or pulled out entirely. It has to be pulled out entirely, completely, out from the earth cave. So from the earth where it is fixed to. It is fixed to the earth. So from there it has grown out from the soil. It is in the earth. So from there it has to be taken out, and the strength of the tree exposed, and it will expose the strength also, how much strength it had, how much effort you took to take it out. The source white and wet, the most sensitive hidden for the years inside the earth, because it has been there for long time, for years it was there. So it will take some time and some effort, some force to uproot it. So same thing is compared to the evil again, which is within us. So when you will try to remove it, it is to be removed completely, and it will be strong enough to give resistance. But if you want to get rid of the evil, you have to uproot it completely. Then the matter of scorching and choking in the sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. So it is the final thing. You have already uprooted the tree. Now it is in the sun and air. The scorching and choking, it is changing its shape. It is getting scorched and it is choked from within. So browning, the browning, the change in color is taking place. It is hardening also because it is drying. Twisting, withering, all these changes are happening to the branches of the tree, and then it is finally done. Means it.
So the tree will finally die.
It will die. So same thing. If you will uproot the evil, then it is brought out of yourself, and it will be like die. It will die from you. So it will not be within you. It means it is taken out from you. So likewise, it is compared to the evil.